Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 2E, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button, like this. Then we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like that. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now as you can see, the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can tell by the icon being blue. And to disable the mode, you need to tap on this icon again, like that. You can also go to settings. So let's tap on settings icon to open the settings. And in settings, you can scroll down. And right here you have Do Not Disturb mode option. Tap on it. Here you can enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch next to all day, like this. Or you can enable a schedule for it. Basically, the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning itself on and off during a schedule, or rather according to the schedule. So let's enable the schedule option by tapping the switch, then tapping confirm. Now we can scroll down, and here we can set up the starting hour and ending hour. Let's tap on start to set the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. And to do it, simply swipe up and down right here on hours to set the hour. Let's set it to 10 PM, then tap OK. You can also change the minutes if you want to. Let's tap OK to confirm. Then set the end, so let's tap on end. Set the hour, minutes. And once you're done, tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, we have schedule now, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on 10 PM and turning itself off at 5:30 AM. And that's how you set up the Do Not Disturb mode, or rather enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.